Hi, here is a very common piece of Russian cockpit. It is the ARK-9 radio control panel. It was used in many kinds of aircrafts. So you have two wheels for setting radio frequencies from 150 to 1290 kilohertz. Some mode selection switches. So in fact it seems to be a two channel control box or two separate radio channels. I don't know exactly the details about it, but Google does have the information. This button is to switch between telephone and telegram mode. You can tell it. So the labels are backlit with bulbs in here. And here are buttons for it. So it is in a little rough condition, but a great piece to have. It is a must-have for whoever collects Russian aircraft parts. Anyway. So at the bottom you have a main plug, and here there is a missing plug for headphone or something like this, but it is a common model of plug, so it should be able to get one somewhere. So it will be interesting to show you the insides, because it is quite well crowded inside, and it is easy to open anyway. Just 4 screws. So as you can guess, it is very modern electronics inside. All flex circuits, FPGA parts, surface mount parts, unneeded solder, but gun. So here we are. Really old school stuff. You have here the main platters switches for the two channels. Resistor decades. So really straightforward stuff. Circuit board here with more resistors. These ones are really old design. Back from World War II, I believe. And here you can see some little relays, common kind of relays, the galvanometer, and more guts from the thing. I have another bigger panel, which is way more complicated. I will show you it someday. So here it is for this, the ARK-9 radio control panel. Quite neat little piece of kit. The complete data must be possible to get onto internet with a pinout and things like this, but it will be in Cyrillic documentation, so it is not always easy to understand. Of course, it was all handmade. So I will try to find that code for you. This resistor is from 1964. The relay is from 1971. 71 also for this one. So it is incredible when you open a Russian equipment. You can find parts made over 2 or 3 decades into the same device. They add enormous stocks of electronic parts, and they made it in enormous quantities, so they keep using the same parts for decades. Actually, this resistor is even from 72. Another one here is from 65. So it must have been made around 62. Most of the parts are 71. 70. Also to the button here. You can see the potentiometer body here. 3 more relays. Metal can relays. Try to get it in the correct angle for you. So here we are for the ARK-9 radio control panel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.